The same bus. Every morning. Hello. This is a simple story. The words are easy. The story is calm and clear. This story is about daily life. It is about work. It is about people we see every day. It is about learning to listen. There was a man named Tom. Tom was 35 years old. He lived in a medium-sized city. The city was busy in the morning and quiet at night. Tom lived in a small apartment near a bus stop. The apartment was old, but clean. It was cheap and close to his work. Tom lived alone. He worked in a supermarket. He was a cashier. Every day, Tom did the same things. He woke up at 6 in the morning. Not early. Not late. When the alarm rang, Tom opened his eyes slowly. He did not feel happy. He did not feel sad. He felt normal. He turned off the alarm. He sat on the bed. He looked at the wall. Another day, he said quietly. Tom stood up. He went to the bathroom. He brushed his teeth. He washed his face. He looked at himself in the mirror. His face looked tired. His eyes looked quiet. He nodded to himself. Then he went to the kitchen. Tom did not cook in the morning. He made tea. He drank it slowly. Sometimes he ate bread. Sometimes he did not eat. He checked the time. 6:45. He put on his jacket. He picked up his bag. He left the apartment. Outside, the street was busy. Cars passed by. People walked fast. Tom walked to the bus stop. He took the same bus every morning. Bus number 21. The bus stop was always crowded. People stood close together. Some looked at their phones. Some talked. Some looked tired. Tom stood and waited. The bus arrived with a loud sound. People got on quickly. Tom got on and found a place to stand. The bus was full. He held the pole. He looked around. Tom saw the same people every day. A woman with long hair who always read a book. An old man with a hat who looked out the window. A young student with headphones. They never talked. They just shared the same space. The bus moved slowly. Traffic was heavy. Tom looked out the window. Shops passed by. Cafes opened. People walked fast. Every morning looked the same. After 30 minutes, Tom got off the bus. He walked 5 minutes to the supermarket. The supermarket was big. Bright lights. Long shelves. Tom went to the staff room. He changed his shoes. He put on his uniform. At 7:30, Tom started work. He stood at the cashier. "Hello," he said to customers. "Good morning." Some customers smiled. Some did not. Tom scanned items. He took money. He gave change. Beep. 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 The sound repeated all day. Sometimes customers talked. "How much is this? Do you have a bag?" "Thank you." Tom answered calmly. "Yes." "No." "You're welcome." His job was simple. But it was tiring. He stood for hours. His legs hurt. His back hurt. At 10, Tom had a short break. He sat in the staff room. He drank water. Other workers sat with him. Some talked loudly. Some complained about work. Tom listened. He did not talk much. He finished his break and went back to work. More customers came. The supermarket became busy. Children cried. People talked loudly. Tom felt tired. At noon, Tom had lunch. He ate rice and chicken. He ate quickly. He checked his phone. Messages. News. Nothing special. After lunch, he went back to work. The afternoon was long. Tom felt bored. He felt empty. He asked himself, "Is this all?" But he did not say anything. He worked until 5. Finally, his shift ended. Tom went back to the staff room. He changed his shoes. He put on his jacket. He walked out of the supermarket. The sky was already dark. Tom walked back to the bus stop. Again, bus number 21. Again, the same people. The woman with the book. The old man with the hat. The student with headphones. Tom stood in the same place. The bus moved slowly again. Tom looked at his hands. They looked tired. One day, something small changed. It was a rainy morning. Tom stood at the bus stop. Rain fell softly. People stood closer together. The bus arrived late. People looked annoyed. When the bus came, everyone rushed in. Inside, it was very crowded. Tom stood near the door. The old man with the hat stood next to him. The bus stopped suddenly. The old man lost balance. Tom reacted quickly. He held the old man's arm. "Are you okay?" Tom asked. The old man looked surprised. "Yes," he said slowly. "Thank you." They stood quietly. After a moment, the old man spoke again. "You take this bus every day," he said. Tom nodded. "Yes. So do I," the old man said. Tom smiled a little. "I see you," Tom said. The old man smiled back. "My name is Henry," the old man said. "I'm Tom," Tom replied. They talked a little. Not much. Just simple words. The bus stopped. Henry got off. "See you tomorrow," Henry said. Tom felt something warm. The next day, Tom saw Henry again. They nodded. "Good morning," Henry said. "Good morning," Tom replied. They stood together. They talked about the weather. About the bus. Small things. Days passed. Tom also noticed the woman with the book. One day, her book fell. Tom picked it up. "Thank you," she said. "You read every day," Tom said. She smiled. "Yes, it helps me relax." They talked a little. Only a little. Tom felt strange. The bus was the same. The road was the same. But it felt different. At work, Tom started noticing people more. He looked at customers' faces. He smiled more. He said, "Have a nice day." Some people smiled back. Some did not. But some did. One evening, a customer said, "You are very kind." Tom felt surprised. He thought about it all the way home. That night, Tom lay in bed. He thought about his day. Nothing big happened. But something changed inside him. He realized something. Life was not only about big changes. It was also about small moments. A short talk. A small smile. A helping hand. The next days, Tom listened more. He listened to coworkers. He listened to customers. He did not try to fix things. He just listened. He felt calmer. One morning, the student with headphones looked sad. Tom did not say anything, but he nodded and smiled. The student smiled back. It was small, but it mattered. Weeks passed. Tom's life did not change outside. Same apartment, same job, same bus. But inside, Tom felt less empty. He felt connected. One evening, Tom walked home instead of taking the bus. It was not far. He walked slowly. He saw the city lights. He heard sounds. He breathed deeply. "I am here," he said. That night, Tom slept well. The next morning, he woke up. Same alarm. Same time. But he smiled a little. Life was still normal. But normal was not meaningless. Daily life is made of small moments. Small moments create connection. You do not need a new life. You only need to see the life you already have. Listening can change everything.